So good.
Ooh, I put a lot of mezcal in mine.
So I'm here today with the cocktail queens, Alison and Judy from 5 O'Clock Box. The holidays are coming up. We want to keep things super, super simple. So I thought that I'd show you guys how to do 2 super simple holiday appetizers. And you guys are going to talk a little bit about the holiday cocktails you brought today. Bacon wrap dates, done in literally 20 minutes. 3 steps, also 3 steps
Correct.
are your cocktails. And then Ricotta Toast Two Ways. You can do it super savory with like sauteed mushrooms. So one's a little bit more smoky, which would go great with bacon wrap dates.
Absolutely.
Only 2 things you need, bacon and dates. Take the raw bacon, cut it in half. This is already done. Wrap it up, pop it in the oven at 425 for like 15 to 20 minutes until your house smells amazing. That's right when you know it's done. But why don't you guys talk a little about the Mezcal Mule?
So we brought our holiday cocktail, which is the Mezcal Mule. So this has really nice fall flavors. It's got ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, clove. One of our kits comes with a simple recipe. You can actually make 1 cocktail at a time. I'm gonna make 3 or 4 cocktails right now, or you can make all 8 at once.
So you can like pre-batch everything.
You can pre-batch everything in a pitcher and then just pour it out over ice when your guests arrive. Or you can make it ahead of time, or you can make it while you're cooking, just so that you have something sort of enjoy and drink and calm down. This is the first, the cardamom clove simple syrup.
Like, you still get the theater of making a cocktail without the drama of the cleanup. Whether you're making your snacks or whether we're making the cocktails, you get to spend the most amount of time with your guests, which is what the holidays are all about.
And the good thing about these 2 as well, like the ricotta toast and the bacon wrap dates, is you can have them both room temperature. So you could have these ready to go and then focus on your main meal if you're having friends over for dinner, or you can just focus on your friends and focus on some drinks.
You cannot focus on pouring the drinks because somebody
we need some ice.
is getting a little loose with the pours. Cheers.
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 Delicious. Love those. So good.
Ooh, I put a lot of mezcal in mine.
But the ginger comes out.
I know.
It's amazing. Well, this would go perfect with ricotta toast. I mean, you can do it savory with just like sauteed mushrooms, but you can also do it with like a little drizzle of honey. You can just do ricotta toast, cut it up, and then have a little prosecco on the side. Just buy really nice bread. You don't have to, but it's a suggestion.
This one, our sparkling rose.
I love these little cards.
This is a rose simple syrup, so this is more of the floral variety, whereas the other one was a little spicier, warmer.
And I love how you just pour it right into the glass. Oh, there it
Oh,
is.
that's a holiday.
Beautiful.
Just gonna do some bitters in here.
So what kind of bitters are these?
These are orange bitters.
Love it.
And it's really just to sort of enhance the flavor of the rose.
Yeah.
And then you just pour that in.
Oh my God, I love that color.
Sort of mixes the syrup and the bitters together while it gets it from the bottom with the bubbles.
And honestly, the color of this like amber honey
Yeah,
goes
exactly.
really well with even just like if you want to be stylistic about it.
Right.
And then if you feel like you want to get
An
a little extra
Stir.
from your syrup at the bottom.
I love that.
Oh, yeah, I think they all need more.
You
made me nervous, yeah.
The rose is so subtle. You know, it's not like super perfumey.
No, not at all. It's really nice.
It's great. I love
And then
that.
these come with a super fun garnish.
So
Oh my God, they come with that.
Strawberry.
strawberries.
Because what's more
That's so
iconic than
great.
champagne and strawberries?
Again, what? 3 minutes? 4 minutes?
Not even.
Yeah, not even.
There we go.
Cheers
Gorge.
to the holidays. I like
To
it.
the holidays.